Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you're looking for a place to learn how to knit and you want the simplest and the quickest methods, you've come to the right place. I've come up with a playlist of short videos showing you the A, B, C, and D's of knitting. So this is the first video of the series. So I'm going to teach you how to get your yarn onto your needles to start knitting, and then by the end of the playlist you will be able to know how to knit yourself a cowl or a pair of gloves. I will be using a 10 mm Bowie straight needles. I think it's easier to demonstrate and also to practice on chunkier needles, bigger needles and chunky yarn when you're starting off. Okay, now A, the slip knot. The slip knot is the first stitch that goes onto your needle. Okay, now the number of stitches that go onto your needle determine the width of your project. You will place your yarn in front of you like this. Work is on that side. Okay, so the loose end is going to come here. You'll put your finger over here, so hold this part, pick it up, and make a loop. Okay, and then twist and put it back down. So you've kind of made a pretzel over here. So now this the middle part over here, this will be your first stitch. Let's do it again. Put your strand like this, or a fingertip here, pick it up, twist it all the way, and then put it back down. Now you made a pretzel. Now what you need to do is pick up your needle and pick up part that you've created, and that's it. This goes down, this goes down, they both go under, and this goes over the needle. And then the two ends that you had of the strand, you just need to pull and then pull them both to the back. So both strands are on in your right hand, and just tighten it a little bit, not too much. You need to have slack when you're knitting. And different knitters have different tension or slack. You'll get the hang of it once you start. This was A, khas